Assalamu alaikum viewers, today we will talk about a famous and well-known religious and political personality of the world of Islam, an Indian Deobandi religious scholar named Arshad Madni on Madras News Channel. Viewers, Maulana Arshad Madni Sahib was born in 1360 corresponding to 1941. In Deoband area of Saharanpur district of Uttar Pradesh province of India. Maulana received his early education from his father Maulana Hussain Ahmad Madani's confidant and Khalifa Asghar Ali. At the age of 8, he memorized the Holy Quran. Then after that he went to Darul Uloom Deoband, and in 1963, he completed his studies in Darul-e-Nizami from Darul Uloom Deoband. Maulana Arshad Madni Sahib pledged allegiance to his brother Asad Madani and his Khalifa Ajil, and Muaz also pledged allegiance. He started his teaching from Jamia Kasmia in 1965 after graduating from education. Then in the beginning of 1967, he visited Medina and stayed there for about 14 months. On his return from Medina, he was appointed as a teacher in Kasmia Shahi Moradabad in 1969 at the request of his teacher Maulana Said Fakhruddin Ahmad. He stayed there for almost 4 years and performed teaching services. Then suddenly on Shaban 1396, he was elected as a member of the appointment committee of the same seminary. After the renaissance of Darul Uloom Deoband, he was appointed as a teacher in Darul Uloom in 1983. Since 1983, he has been teaching important books like Mishkwat al-Masabi Sahih Muslim and Tirmidhi in Darul Uloom Deoband. And since 2020 he has been holding the position of president of Darul Uloom Deoband. Viewers, let us tell you that Maulana Arshad Madni Sahib has opposed every step taken against the interest of Muslims and has tried to take legal action for it. On the decision to build Ram Mandir in place of Babri Masjid, he had said that Babri Masjid was a mosque in the eyes of law and justice, and even today it is a mosque in terms of Sharia and will remain a mosque till the day of resurrection. Dear audience, Maulana Arshad Madni Sahib, as an expert in Hindi language, started the Hindi translation of the Holy Quran, Shikal Hind wa Tafsir Asmani, in 1980, which was published by Jamiat Ulema-i Hind in 1991 after 11 years of hard work.